Hello guys, welcome to sscacademy.com. So in today's lecture we are going to describe and eliminate the software named as Mastercam Design 2018. The lecture is based on introduction and customize the various options and details of Mastercam working window. Over here on the display you can see the working window of Mastercam. Now there is various options in toolbar we can see, from where you can create your new file like this. There is window of new file is developed over here. Then you can save from here. You can open your desired file from your saved data, and further you can print your data from here. Likewise, save as option and the zip to go option and refresh options will be defined. From here you can also customize your command as per your requirement. The more command you can define from here. So below the ribbon that you can also define from here. Minimize the ribbon, that will minimize the given ribbon. Now our next step is file. Whichever options that are defined over here that are displayed in the previous ribbon. And most important module or task is home, from where you can clipboard your required data from the window and various options according to the attributes, and organize, detail, delete, and the display options are over here. Likewise, the analyze, dynamic angle and change likewise analysis you can carry out using these options. Add and in options. Further, second option is wireframe, from where you can sketch and define your trajectories on the working window over here, and you can create your geometry on the given workspace. Further is the surface. You can create the surface modeling over here, and you can trim the curves, fill, hole as per your modification. Creation simple and normal settings are done on this working window. Likewise, next is the solid. Once you have created your wireframe structure, then you can make it to solid part using this option, from where you can create and generate directly a shapes like cylinder, block and sphere, cone and torus, etc. And also you can create your component as per your required extrude, revolve and loft sweep feature, which are related to geometry creation. Further, you can modify for the various constraints related to chamfer and fillet, shape, shell, thicken and draft. Likewise, you can create your drawing layout from here also. Then next step is the model preparation. Now you can prepare your model for the given task and required purpose from here. Further, drafting options, that you can draft your each component and provide various constraints and dimensions from here. You can also annotate them, where you are provided to hatch or extra definitions that you can select and provide using Mastercam working window. Next is the transform. Transform is you can dynamic, translate, rotate, project or roll your model positions from here. Also, you can offset your entities and chains which you have generated in the geometry that you can do from here. Further, you can change your layout from here and size your component from here. Next is the art. Art is the definition which you have directly provided from here as per your required definitions. Then machines. It is the simulation portion where you can provide your component for a specific manufacturing process like milling, lathe, mill, turn, wire, root as per your required definitions. Also, you can control your definitions from machine definitions and job setups. You can create a job and directly generate the part program from that and run it for the required definitions. You can carry out the simulation in this part. Last option is about view. You can see all the working definitions shows on the window from this view option. from where you can make it various object related graphics views, in which you can see the right, front, top and right extra planes, and you can also go to the isometric view as per your requirement. And these are the updated features that you can zoom and fit to the screen as per your definition from this working window. Likewise, various appearance you can provide your component for the proper visualization. You can manage your art from here. You can reselect, so you can see how your window is unhidden. Now you select the toolpath, it will deflect over here. You can change the background color of your toolpath from here. Suppose I would like to make it as a black, then click on OK. You can see how it will be changed. Then I would like to check the line color, then I can change from here. I would like to make it as a green, then it will consider as a green. Likewise, font color, that you also can change from here. I would like to place as a white, it will be white. And over here I am going to write something like this. So first of all, to write over here, you have to go to the home and you can select the various appearance regarding your task. So create a letter over here. You can see how it will be written in the white. You can change it from front and take a black. Click on OK. And you can also make a change with your background color, as previously we have defined as an gray. Likewise, after completion of all these tasks, in the hidden auto cursor option will be displayed over here. These are the common options which you have needed during the sketch or generation of part. Likewise, there is side module is also shown various options related to required definitions. And at the bottom you can see there is various considerations that you can select directly from here as per your required definitions. Likewise, you can go to the file and select the configuration, that you can various configurations are changed for the working window from over here. Suppose I would like to change the color from here, then I have to select the background gradient and select the color. Then I would like to change the grid color. Is it considered as a gray, but I would like to make it as a white, then I have to select the white. And further, whatever I would like to change, that I can make a change using this option and click on the apply, so that you can change, see how it will be applied. I can also make it as it is by using the various changes. After doing right click, it will be saved. Likewise, you can go to view and visualize the various options that you have required over here. Planes, arts, groups that you can develop over here. So in this lecture we have learned the introduction portion and the various customization related to Windows of Mastercam Design 2018 customization. And in our next lecture we are going to create a simple geometry and how it will be implemented in the machine tool simulations. Thank you friends, thank you very much.